So today's video is going to be a little different because instead of just talking about the latest AI trends, I'm actually going to show you 10 super useful AI tools that are completely free to use. And trust me, these aren't just random websites. These tools can actually make your work faster, boost your productivity, and honestly, just make your life easier. Whether you're a creator, a student, or someone who just loves trying new tech. Some of them give you unlimited access, and others come with free trials or credits, but every single one of them is worth checking out. So yeah, grab your coffee, sit back, or maybe just bookmark this video, because by the end, I'm pretty sure you'll have at least 5 new AI tools that you'll want to use every single day. Our first tool in today's list is LMArena.ai. And honestly, this one's super interesting because it's a public platform where you can freely access and test almost all the popular AI models like ChatGPT, QWin, Gemini, DeepSeek, and many more completely free and without any major limits. Once you log in, you'll see a clean interface that offers 3 main modes: battle mode, side-by-side, and direct chat. In battle mode, for example, you can enter any prompt like "here I tried," create an image of a Viking warrior standing confidently on a sandy beach. The warrior should be wearing traditional Viking armor, holding a shield and axe with a fierce expression. And the platform gives you 2 results side by side for comparison. Now, since I didn't select the image mode, it didn't generate visuals, but it still provided 2 detailed written outputs from different models, which looked really good. Before showing results, it might ask for a quick security verification, just a simple CAPTCHA, and once you solve it, it reveals which models created each response, like DeepSeek v3 or Clover, and how they interpret your prompt differently. What's cool is that you can't directly control the model's process in battle mode, but you can move to the side-by-side tab where you get full freedom to manually pick any 2 models for direct comparison. If you want to generate an image instead of text, you simply select the image icon below, choose your models on top, paste your prompt, and boom! It generates 2 AI images side by side for visual comparison, both with surprisingly good quality. There's also a direct chat mode, where instead of comparing, you can chat with a single model and get focused results. Another great feature is the leaderboard, which shows live rankings of different AI models based on public feedback and performance, so you can actually see which models people are finding most accurate or useful. Overall, LMArena.ai is an amazing and completely free website to test, compare, and explore various premium AI models in one place. Perfect for anyone who wants to experiment with different AIs and understand their strengths without paying a dime. Our next website on the list is quite similar to LMArena, but honestly, it takes things a step further. I'm talking about Yup AI. Now, unlike LMArena, this platform gives you access to even more AI models, including several premium and paid ones that you can test for free. The only small difference is that here, you'll need credits to generate results. But don't worry, earning them is super easy. After you generate any result, the website gives you a feedback option, and when you submit your feedback, it instantly rewards you with free credits, which you can then use to test more AI models and prompts. That's a smart system. It encourages users to engage while keeping the platform free for everyone. What really makes Yup AI stand out for me is the huge collection. It provides access to over 800 different AI tools and models, all available under one roof, completely free of cost. You can try everything from text and image models to coding and voice tools. Basically a full playground for AI enthusiasts and creators. Just like LMArena, Yup AI also features a leaderboard section where you can check how each AI model ranks based on user ratings and performance, so you always know which model is trending or performing the best. And here's another cool part. If you use the platform regularly and give consistent feedback, you might even get the option to cash out your credits, turning your usage into real rewards. That's something you rarely see on other AI comparison websites. So overall, Yup AI is a complete all-in-one AI testing hub. You can explore hundreds of models, earn free credits through feedback, check performance rankings, and even make a little money along the way. If you're someone who loves experimenting with different AI tools, this one's definitely worth trying out. And at number 3, we've got not just one, but 2 amazing websites, and both are total game changers for creators, digital marketers, and graphic designers because they can literally take your productivity and creative workflow to the next level. So the first website here is Reeve.com, and honestly, this one has become one of my personal favorites.
It's an AI-powered image editing platform that lets you edit, modify, and recreate images using prompts. And it works so fast that I've actually started using it for my own YouTube thumbnails. It saves me a ton of time. Let me show you how it works with a small example so you get a clear idea. First, I upload a reference image, say one that includes a model wearing a white dress, a bracelet, a silver storage bag, a telescope, a motorcycle, and a few parachutes in the sky. Now, I can easily combine all these references into a single image using Canva, just to set the scene. Then, I type in my prompt. Once I click Generate, the AI instantly creates a brand new image based on that prompt. And here's where it gets interesting. You can then click on the Edit icon and it opens up a full layer-based editing interface, almost like Photoshop, but way simpler. For example, if I want to change the model's dress color from white to red, I just click on the model's layer, tweak the prompt by replacing white with red, and hit Generate again. And guess what? Within seconds, the AI updates the image perfectly. That's how fast and flexible Reeve.com is. It's like using Nano Banana, but on steroids. Faster results, fewer restrictions, and professional level control. Now, speaking of Nano Banana, that's actually our second website in this category. You can think of it as a simpler alternative to Reeve, ideal if you just want to do quick image edits or experiments without too many features. The best part, you can use Nano Banana directly inside Google AI Studio, completely free and unlimited. So if Reeve feels like the pro version, Nano Banana is your lightweight version, both doing the same job, but with different levels of control.
And now coming to our fourth website, Google AI Studio. And honestly, guys, no matter how much I praise this one, it's still not enough. Because if you're a content creator, a developer, or even someone who loves building creative AI projects like vibe code apps, this platform is literally a goldmine. The moment you enter Google AI Studio, you'll see a clean dashboard packed with tons of AI tools ready to use. And the best part? Most of them are completely free and unlimited. For example, one of the most popular tools inside it is Nano Banana, which we talked about earlier. It lets you edit or recreate images using simple text prompts, just like professional AI editors. And there's no credit limit or watermark nonsense. You can literally create visuals instantly. Let's say I want to generate an image of a few characters chilling on a beach, wearing sunglasses, enjoying the sunset. I just type that in, click Generate, and boom! The AI creates the image within seconds. And if you're not happy with the output, the cool part is you can do follow-ups right inside the same chat. Like, make it more cinematic or change the outfit color, and it'll instantly regenerate the improved version. That's what makes it so fluid and creator-friendly. Now, if you go back to the Home tab, you'll find even more exciting tools inside Google AI Studio, like V3.1, which is Google's high-end AI video generation model, though you'll need an API key to access that one, and Gemini Text-to-Speech, which offers free and unlimited AI voiceovers. And trust me, the voice quality here is genuinely next level. It sounds super natural and expressive, with options for both multi-speaker and single-speaker voices. But here's the real highlight, vibe coding. Now this feature is absolutely crazy because it lets you create full-fledged working web apps just by typing a single line of code or instruction. You literally describe what you want and it builds the functional app automatically. I'm not going too deep into that right now because I'm planning to make a separate detailed video just on vibe coding. It deserves its own spotlight. So if you want me to cover that next, definitely let me know down in the comments section. And next up, we've got another amazing Google platform, Google Labs, which also comes with some really cool free AI tools that can make your content creation workflow way easier and more creative. You can check it out at labs.google/fx, and honestly, this one feels like a hidden gem, especially if you're into image creation, video concepts, or music generation. Now, the first tool inside Google Labs that I want to talk about is called Whisk, and it's absolutely incredible. With Whisk, you can generate unlimited free AI images just by typing simple prompts, and it works fast, like within a few seconds. So here's how it works. You go to the Whisk section and you'll see a clean prompt box. Just type your prompt there. For example, let's say I want to create an image of a Viking warrior having lunch with a beautiful girl. I just generate that prompt using ChatGPT or write it myself, paste it in, and click generate. And within seconds, the image is ready. But here's what makes Whisk really special. It gives you character control options, something most free AI tools don't have. For instance, under the subject section, I can drag and drop an image of my Viking warrior. This helps the AI recognize and maintain that exact character's look. Then below that, there's a scene section where you can either upload a background image or select a location image that matches your concept. And even further down, you'll find the style section where you can choose or upload a visual reference for the art style you want. Let's say I want my Viking scene in a GTA 5 style look. I can literally upload a screenshot from GTA 5 as my reference style, paste my prompt, and hit generate. And boom! Whisk gives me a stunning, consistent image with my Viking character perfectly blended into the GTA-style environment. You also get control over aspect ratios, so you can decide whether you want your image in square, portrait, or cinematic format. Super useful for content creators who make thumbnails or short-form visuals. Now, let's take one more quick example. I added a man and a woman image as subjects and used this prompt. A handsome man and a beautiful girl stand close together in a romantic pose under soft golden sunset light. And Whisk generated an image that looked super consistent. Both characters matched their references perfectly, and the overall vibe looked natural and cinematic. That's what makes this tool stand out. Whisk maintains character consistency even across multiple generations and still gives you creative freedom with styles and prompts. But Whisk isn't the only thing inside Google Labs. You'll also find other tools like Flow, ImageFX, and MusicFX. Flow lets you run VO 3.1, Google's high-end video generation model, though it's paid, while ImageFX and MusicFX are completely free and let you generate creative visuals and music tracks using AI.
All right, quick break before we move to the next AI tool. Because if you work online, manage multiple accounts, or just care about your online privacy, this next tool can literally save you a lot of trouble. You know how some websites are blocked in your region or your accounts get flagged when you log in from different devices? That's because browsers and websites track everything: your IP address, location, and even your digital fingerprint. That's where GoLogin comes in. It's basically an anti-detect browser that gives you complete control over your online identity. You can browse securely, unblock any restricted site, and even run multiple accounts safely without getting banned or tracked. Here's what makes it awesome. Unblock any content from anywhere, stay invisible, no tracking, no fingerprinting, manage multiple accounts easily, share secure profiles with your team, and the best part? It comes with 2 gigabytes of free residential proxies for fast and private browsing worldwide. If you value your privacy or you're managing multiple accounts for work or business, you've got to try this out. Just hit the link in the description or the pinned comment. You'll get a free trial of GoLogin plus 2 gigabytes of free residential proxies to start browsing securely today. Trust me, this one's a must-have tool for every digital creator or marketer.
Next on our list is a super powerful tool called Descript. And while it's not completely free, it does give you a good amount of free credits for testing, which is more than enough to understand how insanely useful this platform really is. I personally use Descript quite often, especially for transcription, and honestly, it has become one of my favorite tools for video and podcast work. Once you open the Descript dashboard, you'll notice it offers a ton of different features. You can edit videos, create avatars, edit podcasts, translate and dub videos, and even do voice cloning or audio generation. It's like a full-fledged AI-powered editing suite. But for me, the real hero feature here is the transcription tool, so let's walk through that. You simply click on the transcription option, then upload your audio or video file. After that, you'll see a drop-down to select the language. I'll pick English. And within a few seconds, it generates a complete text transcript of your audio. Now here's the magical part. This transcript isn't just text for reading. It's actually linked directly to your audio or video timeline. So if I want to remove a sentence, I can literally delete that line from the text, and it automatically removes that same section from the audio or video too. No need to manually cut clips or drag sliders on the timeline. It's just edit the words, and Descript edits the media. That means your video editing process becomes 5x faster, especially if you make YouTube videos, podcasts, or reels. You can even use the text search feature to quickly find and delete filler words like or saving you hours of cleanup time. Now, the only limitation is that the free plan gives you limited transcription credits. So after some time, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan, but trust me, it's totally worth it if you do regular video or audio work. So overall, Descript is one of those rare AI tools that genuinely improves workflow. It saves time, makes editing ridiculously simple, and gives creators full control over their content. Even if you just use it for transcription, you can get a lot done almost free, and it's 100% worth exploring for every content creator out there. If you're someone who regularly works on business presentations, content creation, or even school and college projects, then this next AI website is nothing short of a goldmine for you. The tool is called Napkin AI, and it's designed to make your notes, ideas, and research look 10 times more visual and professional, completely free. So here's how it works. Inside Napkin AI, you can simply paste any article, blog, or written content, and the tool will automatically generate a flowchart or visual diagram based on that text. These visuals look super clean, minimal, and modern, perfect for presentations or reports that need a professional touch. The best part? You get 500 free AI credits every week, so you can keep experimenting and generating multiple visuals without worrying about running out. Let's quickly test it out. I click on Create New Napkin, and now the tool gives me two options. Either I can paste an existing article or even generate one using a single prompt. For example, I type, "Create information about search engine optimization." And within seconds, Napkin AI writes a well-structured article on SEO for me, simple and neatly formatted. But this is where the real magic begins. Now I just select a paragraph from that article, say the one explaining how search engines rank websites, and click the Generate Diagram icon. And instantly, it creates a beautiful visual diagram showing the flow of the process, from crawling and indexing to ranking and optimization. You can imagine how powerful that is for anyone who needs to make study notes, client reports, or team presentations. Instead of just text, you're now showing structured visuals that make your content easy to understand and way more engaging. And since it gives weekly free credits, you can use it regularly without spending a single rupee. So overall, Napkin AI is a must-try tool, especially for students, educators, marketers, and creators who want to make their content stand out visually. Next up on our list, we've got two amazing AI websites where you can actually generate videos for free. And trust me, both of these tools are super fun to experiment with. The first one is Meta.ai, which comes directly from Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. You can log into it easily using your Instagram or Facebook account, and once you're in, the interface is clean and very beginner-friendly. This tool lets you generate stunning AI videos and visuals in just a few clicks. No complicated settings or coding required. Just describe what you want to create, and the AI handles the rest. The results are genuinely impressive for a free tool. Cinematic, smooth, and highly realistic. I'm not going into a full demo here because it's super simple to use, but trust me, if you want to create quick video clips or AI-generated visuals for your content, Meta.ai is an absolute must-try. Now, the second website on this list is something completely different. It's called Grok, and this one's a little wild. Unlike most AI tools that come with a bunch of restrictions, Grok gives you full creative freedom. You can create realistic images and videos without the usual limitations that other models like Veo 3.1 or Sora have. For example, if you type a fun or crazy prompt like Elon Musk and Donald Trump taking a selfie together, Grok will actually generate a super realistic image of that scene. Facial expressions, background, lighting, everything looks surprisingly real. And if you click on the Make Video option,
it will instantly animate that image into a short video, which honestly looks kind of hilarious and impressive at the same time.
Great to see you, Elon. We're going to do amazing things together.
Now, to be clear, Grok is a closed-source AI system, and while it allows creative freedom, it's still smart to use it responsibly and not go overboard with your prompts. But in terms of raw creativity and flexibility, Grok is on a whole different level. It's definitely not as restricted as VO 3.1 or Google's tools. And the next tool on our list is one that I personally love using in my own videos. It's called dreamina.capcut.com. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Bro, isn't that a paid tool? Well, here's the twist. It's actually completely free in Nigeria right now, and you can easily access it just by using a VPN. So here's how you can do it step by step. First, turn on your VPN and select Nigeria as your location. I personally use Surfshark VPN because it's secure and fast, but you can use any VPN, even a free one if it's reliable. Once your VPN is connected, go to dreamina.capcut.com, then click on Sign In, choose Continue with Email, and hit Sign Up to create your account. After signing up, refresh the page and you'll notice something interesting. Under the Nigeria region, you'll immediately get access to both the AI image and AI agent models for free. Now, here's a little trick. Once you've unlocked it, switch your VPN location to USA, refresh again, and you'll now see all three major tools unlocked: AI image generator, AI video generator, and AI avatar creator. And yes, all of them work completely free. Let's test it out. So first, I go into the AI image mode and paste in a prompt I generated earlier using ChatGPT. Dreamina uses some seriously good image generation models to Seedream and Nano Banana, and the results are honestly stunning. The images look realistic, detailed, and clean, and they render within seconds. Once your image is ready, you also get tons of post-editing options like 4K image upscaler, edit and crop options, video generation from images, and more. Now, moving to the AI video mode, this one is just as powerful. It gives you features similar to Google VO 3.1, where you can choose between multi-frame, first frame, and last frame options. The multi-frame mode allows you to upload up to 10 images and automatically generate an AI video sequence that looks dynamic and cinematic up to 10 seconds long. You can even control the aspect ratio, for example, 9:16 for Shorts or 16:9 for YouTube. And in the free plan, you can export videos up to 720p resolution, which is pretty solid for social media content. And lastly, one of my personal favorites, the AI avatar feature. This lets you create a digital avatar of yourself and sync it with your voice to make it look like your character is actually speaking. I actually use this exact feature in my early Shorts videos to make my on-screen character lip-sync my voice perfectly, and it worked flawlessly. So overall, dreamina.capcut.com is an absolute must-use tool for content creators, video editors, and social media professionals. It gives you image generation, video creation, and AI avatar lip-syncing all under one platform. And if you use that Nigeria VPN trick, you can unlock and use all of it for free. And finally, guys, the last website on our list is once again from Google. And trust me, this one's an absolute banger, because this website lets you create fully functional mini apps using just a single prompt. Yeah, you heard that right. You don't need to write a single line of code. Just describe what kind of app you want, and boom, it builds it for you automatically. Now imagine the possibilities. Whether you're a freelancer, a digital creator, or a marketer, this tool can seriously open up new earning opportunities for you. You can create small tools, automations, or even client-based mini apps in minutes, things that usually take hours or even days to make. And don't worry, I've already made a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to use this tool, from writing the perfect prompt to building and customizing your first app. You can find that full breakdown in the end screen of this video, So make sure you check it out right after this one, because once you learn how to use it, you'll realize just how powerful this AI tool really is.